All right, this is how I clean my solar panels. How do you clean yours? I don't know if you can see, man. Look how dirty those panels are. Get a little bit more production out of them. Yeah, look how dirty these things are, man. Bada bing, bada boom. There's a little difference between these panels, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna add about another 35, 40 panels on this side over here. When I first put this in, it was, I think I had like, I don't know, 11 panels. And I added, it's up to 23 now, so it's good. Gotta have solar out here in Cali, man. Gavin Newsom will get you. This brush has like little stiff bristles on one side. So I go over it with the mop first, then I hit it with the bristles real quick just to break everything up. A lot better, a lot better. Yeah, out here, man, these guys out here, they clean these things for like 10, 20 bucks a panel, man. 3, 4 houses, 5 houses a day, man. So there's money out there, you just gotta go get it. I don't know how you guys clean your panels, but let me know if you got a better method in the comments. Or if something I'm doing is terrible, I don't know. But yeah, let me know. Yeah, every time I call these guys to come clean my panels, they're always booked solid. Yeah, I can come out there in 2 or 3 weeks, man. These guys are making money doing this, man. It's not hard work, you know, get up in the morning, get at it, you know, bada bing, bada boom. Normally clean my panels once or twice a year, you know, just to get as much as I can out of them, because yeah, housing in California now, when you build them, it's mandatory to have solar. So the solar companies are losing money, right? Everybody has solar. So what do they do now? They raise the rates. So your solar can't keep up. You know what I mean? It's crazy. So what do? I add more panels. Fuck you. I'm gonna put panels on the whole back side of this cocksucker. All right, that's a wrap. I was up here like, I don't know, 30 minutes. 30 minutes or so. Done, man. One more job of the day on my list. Then I'm done for the day. I wouldn't break that. JK. Alright, so the stuff I used is a telescoping pole. You can buy that at any hardware store. Scrub pad on the end. DeWalt pressure washer. You don't need that, but I like using it. This is a Armor All car detailer foam gun. I just put it on the end of my pressure washer because it snaps right in. Or if you have a connection, you can use that too. Armor All foam gun, hose, bucket, and some water. That's it. You're done. All right. Can't really see without the sun hitting on them, but tell you what, man. Hell of a lot cleaner than what they were. Like I said, you guys got a better way to do it, let me know. All right. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow, like, and subscribe.